Hello friends, in this Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to wrap text around an object. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you different ways for conforming text to shapes in Illustrator. Okay, first thing you want to do is just type some text. Okay, you can press the T on the keyboard or just go to this tool, press on the T button, and start typing. I'm going to choose a larger font for this tutorial example. Okay, now that you have your text, go to Object, Envelope Distort, and go to Make with Warp. Alt-Shift-Control-W. Okay, and now you have these controls. You can drag this bend slider and it will change the curve of the text, right? Okay. You can choose vertical, horizontal. Then you can also choose style. So go to this drop down, arc, bulge, and all these different effects. Flag, wave. You can also control the wave here using the same slider. Okay. Fish. I guess this is for Jesus labels on your car stickers or something like that. Okay, now this is great for t-shirt designs and all kinds of things like that where you need your text perfectly matched with the curve. But there's another way you can use. But before I show you the next trick, let me show you this tool for learning Illustrator. I use it all the time for helping me figure out how to create Illustrator tutorials. But it's a great way to learn Illustrator, and it's faster than Google. Let's go ahead and type ghosttogether.com. You'll also find the link to this in the description of this video. Go ahead and register and log in. All of this is free, so go to Messages and go to New Message. Now here in this box, type your Illustrator question. So I'm gonna say how to type text around a circle or a path or custom path in Illustrator. Go ahead and press the send button. Now wait for about 2 seconds and this ChatGPT will actually explain step by step how to map your text on a custom shape or a circle. It's much faster than Google, it's free, and I get my answers answered almost right away. Okay, now let's go back to Illustrator. Let's go ahead and delete this. Let's go to Shape tool and create an ellipse. Let's just draw it here. Let's make it a circle. And I'm going to type text on the surface of this circle. So let's go ahead and go to Text, but this time select Type on a Path. This is a circle path, right? So now with the type on the path, if you move your cursor right on the circle and click on it, your text will automatically map to this circle shape. Let's see. Automatic wrapper around circle shape in Illustrator. So what you can do here is change the size of your font. Let me select Control A. Size of the font. And as you can see, it perfectly mapped around the circle. So this is just the basics of how you would do something like this. You can select another shape. Let's say polygon. Okay. And again, the same thing. Go to Text, type on a path, click on the side of the polygon, and you will see here it basically works the same way. It's going to type around the shape. It doesn't have to be the polygon shape itself. It will work on any type of curve. So for example, let's just use the pen tool and make a curve. Okay, it could be any curve at all. Now go to this text tool, type something, and you will see that it types around that shape you just created, the custom shape that we just created.